Hello everyone, I'm Helen. Today I'm going to introduce you a multifunction oven. First, this oven is fully stainless steel and it is with a hood on top so it can exhaust the gas. And on top is a 4-layer convection oven. Inside is with the fan, so the temperature inside will be very even. And it's double-layer glass. It is with the steaming function and also can be memorized, so you can set some menu inside. And here are 2 layers of oven with stone, so you can also bake pizza here. It is 2-layer 4-pan. It is also with 9 pieces of bake menu. Both the top fire and the bottom fire can be controlled separately. In the bottom is the oven shelf, which you can see there are 3 and 3 shelves, but as it's quite deep inside, so each layer you can place 2 pans. So in total you can place 12 pieces of oven pans here.